Right, okay then, we're going to carry out another route where we're following it by the route signs. Okay, so at the end of this road we're going to be turning left and we're then going to be following signs for Baillieston A8 until I change that. Okay, so when you're ready, let's move on. Okay, so as you're approaching the end of this road, there's three key pieces of information. What are they?
The signs.
What signs? Because they're all signs.
Speed signs.
Speed sign.
Waiting. Giving way.
Give way.
And
the bus lanes.
Bus lane.
Begin the routine. So look at right down. So we know there's bus lanes, we know it's a 40 road, we know we don't have priority. So as you're turning, look at your times. Can we go in the bus lane?
Yes.
Yes, we can. Good. Now look at the sign there. Which way do we go for Baillieston A8?
Road ahead.
Road ahead. Good. Well done. So there's no other signs in approach to all of these lights. So you're going to be following the road ahead. These lights.
Remember that road.
Right, now you're on this piece of road, there's one piece of information you need to know. This is a left turn only lane. You've got no way of knowing, which is why I'm telling you. So what you now got to do with that information?
So just check when the hard line will finish.
No, get out. Get out right now. You've been told it's a left turn only lane. You're not turning left, you're following the road ahead, aren't you?
Yes.
Looking at the sign,
It's going stern. It's going ahead.
following the road ahead. Good. So we're going to stay in the middle lane.
Yes.
You're now going to follow signs for Edinburgh A8. So just maintain your position in the central lane. Okay, do you see any signs up ahead?
Yes.
Let me quick check your mirrors because you're now going to be paying a little bit of attention to this sign. Okay, so what one says Edinburgh?
Right.
Well, the middle and the right, so we'll always take the left of the two, so we'll stay in the middle.
So this one is right. Okay.
That's for 89, that one. That's it. Right, and one thing you need to know about this junction here is when we move through these lights, we have to take a slight shift to the left, okay, and that keeps us in the left lane. The road markings are very, very poor, so it's unlikely you're able to see it. And what a lot of drivers may do is just go in a straight line, which means they go from the left to the right, and I don't want you doing that. Because we could then, in theory, collide with anything that's in the right lane. So that's it, the path that these guys are taking, slight to the left, that's sure. Good, now we can see the road markings. Right, okay, gather your information.
Beginning of national limit.
Yes, national speed limit, good, well done. So you've now told yourself you're in a higher speed limit, asking yourself if it's safe to go, then picking up speed. Okay, is there any signs up ahead?
Yes. Roundabout.
Okay, so where are you going to go at this roundabout?
Still following the A.
Edinburgh A8, yes. So which way are you going?
Ahead.
Road ahead, yes,
Yes.
that's the second exit.
Yes.
Okay, think of the speed you want to approach the roundabout in.
Yes.
Good, well done. Okay, can you see from the sign what type of road we're actually going to be joining? It's a green sign for A, wasn't it?
Yes.
That's a dual carriageway. Do you know that?
Yes.
Okay, good. The blue's on the motorway, the green's a dual carriageway. So we're going off at next exit. Okay, so do you remember your routine for joining dual carriageways?
Yes.
Okay, so let me see you carry that out. Good. Should we be applying a signal?
Yes.
To the right. That's it. Well, the signal, right signal. Good. Keep the gas going. If you identify the gap, keep the gas going. Right, we're going to follow the sign for gapped cosh. Do you see the signpost there?
Gap push. Yes.
So it's the next cut off a third of a mile from here. So when will you begin your exit routine?
When I see the speed light come on.
With a 300
Going
yard
down,
marker?
yes.
Good. Okay, so begin the routine then. You've got these signs here, what are they telling you?
Bend and reduce the speed.
Good. Is that a sharp bend?
Yes.
So what speed and gear do you plan to use?
First gear.
Not first gear.
Second.
Second gear would be fine, so about 15 to 20 mile an hour.
Yes.
Good. Okay, now keep the car slow. What type of junction we're coming up to here?
It's roundabout.
Keep to the left. Okay, where are you going now? You're following gap cosh.
Yeah.
So where are we going?
Gap push. Good following.
Road ahead, second exit. Okay, so we're in the routine. So cut it. Okay, keep to the left. So what's the speed limit in this road?
This road. 40.
Was the last sign you saw was national speed limit?
Yes.
So it's national speed limit. So it's 60 here. So it's not dual carriageway. Cancel the signal.
Yes. Confusing.
Okay, any other information up ahead that you want to take in?
Yes. The speed, the change of the speed.
Here we go to about
Slow down.
Well, you did check the mirrors. It's too dark. Good. Okay, got another sign here, 20 when lights flash.
Flashing.
Are the lights flashing?
No.
Now I want you to follow the sign for Glasgow A89. Do you see any signs up ahead?
Yes.
Okay, what type of junction does it relate to?
It's a roundabout.
It's a roundabout. Which way are you going to follow Glasgow 89?
To the right. No, let's go to the left.
So begin your routine.
Deep here.
signs?
Yes. Go ahead to the left.
Right, so 1/4 of a mile from here, we're taking the road to the left. Good, well done.
Speed sign.
Okay, when does that speed limit apply?
Ahead.
So from the sign?
Yes.
This
This
is- Remind me again, where are you going?
Yes, to the left.
There's the signal.
Yes. That's what I didn't do during the test. It's very bad, that's all.
Okay, now we're following the route to Baillieston. Do you see what's written on the road here? Okay. And it says Baillieston here, see it? Right, so it's up there. So you keep in a straight line where that car's going. Exactly where that car is going, he's going to Baillieston. Okay, that'll end that.